welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with another video, and to be honest, I really want to be super consistent on my YouTube channel, but I am not getting great ideas and I cannot be shooting it all alone, so that is why I'm unable to be consistent. And also currently I have my exams like starting from 25th, and it becomes super hectic to shoot it all and then edit it, but we'll figure out something. And so without wasting any time, let's dive into my skincare. So मैंने ना हर चीज़ मेरे ऐसे इधर उधर पड़ी रहती है, तो मैंने एक डब्बे में जितना मेरा यूजफुल सामान था आई हैव कलेक्टेड इट. सो यू मस्ट बी नोटिसिंग कि बस ऐसे डब्बेज बहुत है ना, डब्बेज व्हाटएवर यू से, ऐसे बॉक्सेस बहुत है. तो मैं ये सब जमा करती हूँ, जमा नहीं करती है, मेरी मम्मी मुझे ला के देती है कि इसमें सामान रख, इसमें सामान रख, बट वो अगेन इधर उधर उछल कूद हो जाता है. बट ठीक है, नेवर माइंड. बट टुडे लेट्स गेट. सो एक्चुअली ना मैंने परसों कर्ल्स किए थे जो अभी तक मेरे बालों में है. क्यूट है ना, ये देखो ना, ऊपर के ये हो जाते हैं बट नीचे कैसे हो जाते हैं. मी व्हाट्स योर स्किन केयर गेम इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल टेल यू व्हाट्स माइन योर. सो currently these products are doing wonders for me. And also oh, इसकी बैटरी डेड है ब्रो, व्हाट नॉनसेंस. अदरवाइज दिस फैन इज सो क्यूट. नो, दिस इज गिफ्टेड बाय वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड एंड इसकी बैटरी डेड है यार. नहीं, चालू है, डेड है. सो एनीवेज लेट्स स्टार्ट. मेरे फ्रिजी हेयर, उफ. But anyways, so let's begin by icing my face. This has to be the favorite part of my skincare. So I just feel it tighten your pores and reduces puffiness, and it just gives a wake up call to the skin. Works great. And you can, and this is available like on Amazon or any Myntra, anywhere for just 50 or 100 rupees. Works. You don't have to get a towel and just do this. Just pat it and let it dry because your skin has already went through a chill session. So treat it with like extra care. We got toner. So let me tell you, this is all non-sponsored and none of my brands have paid me anything. This is just what I do for my skincare, and everything is budget friendly. एक दो ही थोड़ा ये होगा. So if you know, Pixie का toners are really nice and they're so hydrating. And rose water, you know the best hack for rose water toner मैं भी करती हूँ. पता है, मैंने ना एक इतनी बड़ी बॉटल भरी थी. मैंने ना, पापा का बर्थडे था और मुझे बहुत सारे हमारे घर पे बुके ये सब आए थे, तो मैंने सब रोजेस निकाल दिए थे एंड उसको मैंने बॉईल कर दिया गर्म पानी में एंड हो गया रोज़ वाटर. मैं कितना एक्सप्लेन करूँ भाई, पता नहीं क्यों, बट ठीक है, यही था. एंड नाउ लेट इट ड्राई. So guys, there was a time I wouldn't be stepping out of my house without makeup, but now I have noticed that I do step out of my house without makeup. I have seen that sudden boost of confidence in me, and which is because of my skincare game. And this skincare works for me, and I don't know if it will work for you. I mean, the products are good, but our skin differs. So next up, I'll be using a hydration serum. So I've got many hydration serums. Like I have got Mama Earth, Plumka, and this caffeine, whatever. Oh, it's a moisturizer, but I'll use Mama Earth, and it's a daily glow vitamin C face serum, and it has turmeric, and you know turmeric is so good for your skin. And you just have to get up. And just pat this also. So whenever I put on a hydrating serum, it's like my skin just drank a big glass of water. And you know, another cool thing of hydrating serums are they're super lightweight, so they absorb quickly without leaving any sticky feeling. And I can say they are like a skincare ninjas. They get the job done without making it a mess. The next step is moisturizing. So how many of y'all like moisturizing your face? So of course हम जब ये सीरम अप्लाई करते हैं उसके बाद ना हम अपने पोर्स को और मतलब टाइटन करने के लिए हम करते हैं मॉइस्चराइजिंग. So I've got 3 moisturizers to show you, no 4. So first is this Recoat ka water cream, and this is Dr. Rochelle ka vitamin C. They have this night creams also, Dr. Rochelle. This Pond's ka super light, and I'll tell you about this Pond's, just give me a minute. And then this Fix Derma ka moisturizing cream. So Fix Derma I had got, but it did not suit my skin, so I've stopped using this. I mean, if it suits your skin, well and good. It doesn't suit me, and all these 3 work great for me. So this, I'll tell you something about this Pond's का cream, ठीक है? So ये Pond's का जो cream है ना, तो ये ना, whenever you don't have anything to do, like you're sitting at your home and you don't wanna apply something so hard or something, you just can use this Pond's का super light. Whenever I'm not shooting or I am not gonna put any makeup on my face, I just use this. क्योंकि अगर हम मेकअप करते हैं तो नीचे थोड़ा हैवी मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाती हूँ, बट नहीं कर रहे तो व्हाई नॉट गो फॉर समथिंग लाइटर. So it's a skincare routine without a nice cozy layer of moisturizer to seal everything in. It's like tucking your skin into bed all snugly and protected. So moisturizer is the final seal of approval for all the goodness, right? That's it for moisturizing. Add this tip to your routine and let your skin live its best life. So the next step is I would like to apply a sunscreen and finish it off. But as I am at home, I'll be applying a nice eye cream because I've got this eye bags to clean around. So I have got this one. I don't know ये कोई तो ब्रांड का था, बट उस दिन मैं ऐसे ही बैठी थी. ये भी मैंने अमेजोन से ही मंगाया. मैंने ऐसे ही बैठी थी and then I just made it look like this. But it's an eye cream and look, it has got this. See, and another one is this Pilgrim ka. So you can apply whichever you like.
Oh, my eye cream has a built-in massager roller. So let's be real, our eyes deserve a mini spa moment too. Just look at this. It's like a tiny massager for my under eyes. Not only does it apply the eye cream perfectly, but it also helps with that little morning puffiness, like a mini good morning hug for my eyes. And it looks so cool, soothing, and honestly I just could keep it rolling on my eyes all day.
So obviously it's a daytime, so obviously I'm gonna finish it off with a sunscreen. So this is something I swear by. This is Wow ka AM to PM sunscreen. I mean, I love this. This is something works great for my skin, and I had got too many sunscreens back then, but now this is something I swear by. Good. So
Sunscreen, because what's the point of all that skincare magic if we don't protect it, right? Sunscreen is like the bodyguard for your skin, as this is your secret weapon to stay youthful, bright, and sun safe. So let's skip the sun damage and keep that glow locked in. Sunscreen on, and make sure to make your sunscreen your skin BFF.
now the last thing is lip balm. I've got too many lip balms, but the favorite right now is the Face Shop one, and this is something which is expensive, and this is for 1200. I think नहीं 1200 ही है शायद, 1285, 1265, whatever. So, and it's not a lip balm, basically it's a lip mask. It just works.
This is just a cozy blanket for your lips, smooth, soft, and totally kissable by morning. Just pop it on.
So that's it. That's all what I do for my skincare. And I think आपको ये टिप्स थोड़ी हेल्पफुल रही होगी, और आप कमेंट्स में बताएंगे कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगा एंड व्हाट वर्क. तो मैं स्किन केयर से इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ ना कि मैंने अभी मेरे पापा मम्मा आर्यन, मतलब मेरा भाई, उसको भी सिखा दिया है कि सनस्क्रीन लगाओ, मॉइस्चराइज करो. तो मेरे पापा भी आजकल मुझे सुबह बोलते सनस्क्रीन मंगानी पड़ेगी ना. मैं बोले हाँ, आई ऑर्डर. आई मीन पीपल हु अराउंड मी, मेरे यार दोस्त, सबको पता है. और मेरे अभी तो मेरे दोस्तों ने भी चालू कर दिया सनस्क्रीन, इन्फ्लुएंस हो गए. So that's it. Also tell me if you want me to shoot anything specific about anything, because new ideas are always welcome. And मुझे ना किसी को अगर आता हो ना, तो उधर कमेंट बॉक्स में वो लिंक भी ड्रॉप कर देना कि वो एडिट कैसे करते हैं थंबनेल, because I am pretty bad at editing, and and editing doesn't work for me. Like I can't edit. I mean मुझे वो नींद आने लग जाती है, मेरा ऐसे आँखें हो जाती है. मुझे ऐसे बोलना है, वॉइस ओवर करना है, मैं फटाक से कर दूँगी. जस्ट ब्रिंग इट ऑन. बट एडिट बैठ के वो 3 घंटा 2 घंटा. थंबनेल, मुझे थंबनेल सीखना भी नहीं है, कोई करके देगा तो मोस्टली वेलकम, लाइक मोस्ट वेलकम. एंड एनीवेज दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू. कितनी बार दैट्स ऑल बोली, ख़त्म ही नहीं कर रही लड़की. बट एनीवेज थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कॉमेंट एंड कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग, कीप लविंग. लव यू ऑल. Please take care of your skin. Bye.